All right, so here we go. I'm going to show you how to assemble the flute. You're going to find it's pretty easy. I'll put a diagram down here of the flute parts, okay? Now let me just walk through those real quick. We should memorize them. So the first thing that concerns us is the head joint, all right? And right here we have the lip plate and the tone hole, okay? We've talked about this a little bit, trying to get a sound. So you can practice with this, of course. Trying to blow across the tone hole. Okay, we're not here to talk about that. We're here to put the flute together. All right, here's the body, or the body joint, we can call it. All right, the longest part with all the keys on it. Okay, and finally, the foot joint. Okay, the smallest part with a little few keys on it. Good. Well, that's easy, right? So here, let's put this thing together. Okay, so first we're going to start with the head joint, and we're going to grab the body joint as well, okay? And I'm just going to twist the head joint onto the body joint, all right? And you're going to tell that it goes on, the head joint connects to a spot here where you might see a logo, okay? That's how you know where those spots connect. And you just kind of twist it on, all right? Some people have trouble with that at first, so let me know if you do, okay? Now, the one thing that we want to check here is that our tone hole is lined up with the keys down here, and it's currently not, so let me fix that. I kind of like to look down this way, twist it, and this means I can draw a line from my tone hole down to my keys there, okay? I'll do that again. Straight line, tone hole, the keys. I'll give you a side profile here. Do you see how the tone hole is straight line from there to the keys? Easy, right? Nice, we're almost there. So the next spot is going to be adding your foot joint, all right, which is also easy. It's just another slight twist, okay? I want you to notice something here. Notice where the keys are on the body joint and where there's a rod which connects the keys on the foot joint. We want this rod to be centered along the middle of these keys, and I'll show you that. So I'm just going to give it a little slight twist here, all right? And it should look like this. So if you can see, this kind of cluster of rods is aiming right toward the middle of this key, okay? Because that's going to help us hold it correctly, all right? So there's our fully assembled flute. It's pretty easy. We just want to make sure the tone hole is lined up with the keys, and then the rod down here is lined up with the keys. That's all good. You're ready to play. So I'd like you to memorize every step of the way putting this flute together and get to know it very well. And the next video will concern how you're going to hold this thing, which is going to be a bit of a longer video. So make sure you have these steps down first, please. Thank you. Good luck.